Welcome to Drone Education Services. Today we're talking about operational rules, line of sight. According to the FAA's Part 107 operating rules, you must always keep the drone within the line of sight of either the remote pilot in command or a visual observer. This includes drones that have GPS capability. Pre-programmed flights are allowed as long as they adhere to the line of sight rule. Using a drone's camera, also called first person view, FPV, is not allowed under the line of sight requirement. A drone's camera can only see a portion of the sky as it flies in the three-dimensional space. Problems can occur outside of the view of the camera. You cannot use visual aids such as binoculars to see your drone. Remember, the operator, also known as the remote pilot in charge, is solely responsible for the flight of the aircraft.